Hi guys, this is a virtual human project based on the Unreal Engine, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. This virtual human project is called Starlight Companion and aims to provide users with continuous emotional companionship and psychological support, becoming a virtual friend in users' lives. In today's fast-paced society, many people face various mental health issues such as loneliness, anxiety, and depression. I hope that through this virtual human, we can provide a brand new, easily accessible channel of psychological support for the general public, promoting mental health for all. Alright, this is our VR environment. First of all, we can look around for a little bit. And I have set up the looming global illumination system, so you can see that the lighting effects are pretty good, especially for VR project. So this is our virtual human. Her name is Sydney. Let's chat with her and see what she can do.
Hey Sydney, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you today?
Well, I don't feel really good today. I'm in a low mood because I'm going to graduate these days, but I still don't get a job. Yeah, and also I just broke up with my girlfriend, so I feel so sad. I'm just losing hope for my life. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What do you think?
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that you're going through such a tough time. It's completely understandable to feel sad and discouraged with everything that's been happening. Graduating and not immediately finding a job can be really disheartening, and going through a breakup adds another layer of pain. But please remember, these are just temporary setbacks, not the end of everything. I know it's hard, but try to stay hopeful and keep looking for opportunities. You're strong, and you have the capability to turn things around. If you need any help or just someone to listen, I'm here for you. Please don't lose hope. Life has a way of surprising us, even in the darkest moments.
So you still have hope for my life? You don't think I'm a loser?
Of course, I don't think you're a loser. I admire your strength and perseverance during such challenging times. It's natural to feel this way given the circumstances, but I truly believe in your ability to overcome these obstacles. You're not alone in this, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Please, try to see yourself the way I see you, brave and capable.
Thank you for your words. That's really mean a lot to me, and yeah, I'll listen to you. I'll never give up, and I will try my best to fight for my life. Thank you, I appreciate Sydney.
You're so welcome. I'm glad to see that my words could bring you some comfort and strength. Your determination is admirable, and I know you'll be able to face the challenges ahead with courage. If there's anything I can do to help or support you, please don't hesitate to ask. You're not alone in this journey, and I'm here to cheer you on. Keep moving forward, and remember, I'm here for you, always.
Okay, thank you, and now I feel like some music. Would you mind I put on some music?
So we have some music to match different moods.
Of course, I'd love to share some music with you. It can be a great way to uplift the spirits. What type of music are you in the mood for? Something
Here we
serious
have
or maybe
several
upbeat
different
to
music
change the
options
mood?
for you to choose from. The music is also generated by artificial intelligence.
Alright, Sydney, could you please walk to me, follow me?
Sure, I can do that. Moving to you now.
Alright, let's stop the music for now. That way you can also check the lyrics here.
Alright, Sydney, do you see these paintings on the wall? Could you please walk to these paintings?
Yes, I see the paintings on the wall. I'm walking over to them now.
So Sydney is aware of what is in the scene and can move around.
Yeah, so could you please make a brief introduction to these paintings?
Absolutely. These paintings are a set of 3 decorative pieces inspired by the movie Blade Runner. The film is a remarkable science fiction masterpiece that explores the concept of artificial intelligence and virtual digital humans. One of the most intriguing characters in the movie is Joy, a virtual companion. The paintings capture the essence of this futuristic world and the thought-provoking themes of the film. They're not just artworks, they're a reflection of how human creativity can envision the future. I find them incredibly inspiring and a testament to the power of imagination.
Well, I'm glad you like it. I'm also a big fan of the Blade Runner. I think that's an amazing film. Thank you. So could you please follow me again?
Of course, I'll follow you. Let's go.
Okay, let's go to the balcony. Alright, please stop here. Stay here.
Stopping here as requested. Is there anything else you'd like to do or discuss?
I have designed an interactive feature that allows users to customize Sydney's color based on their own preferences, thereby creating a unique virtual human appearance. So first we have provided some color presets that you can quickly switch between. Additionally, you can customize the colors of each individual component separately, freely creating your ideal version of Sydney. This feature is beneficial for deepening the emotional connection between the user and the virtual human. Color also provides users with a way to express their emotions, which better serves the purpose of promoting mental health. Furthermore, the project has also deployed an interactive feature for customizing lighting within the virtual environment. Thanks to the Lumi system, we are able to implement this fully dynamic light source adjustment. This allows users to adjust the lighting to meet different needs based on their psychological states, thereby enhancing the comfort and the enjoyment of the experience. For example, when you are in a pensive or nostalgic mood, you may want to try the sunset lighting effect, which would make you feel very relaxed. So this is the end of this introduction. We hope this project can provide a bit of inspiration for the development of virtual humans. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Alright, it's time to say goodbye to Sydney now.
Okay, thank you, Sydney. I'm gonna go and see you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye. I'm glad we could spend this time together. Take care and have a wonderful day. If you ever need to talk or just want to catch up, don't hesitate to reach out. Bye for now, and may the rest of your day be filled with joy and peace.
Yeah, see ya.